Hey everyone, coming at you from Japan. Today we're doing another camouflage test video. This time we're looking at the new desert uniform from Spain, which has a similar pattern to multicam and has the same cut as the US Army's gray UCP uniforms. We're doing this test in an early spring forest environment, so there are still a lot of brown colors on the ground. But as you can see, more green colors are coming in as it gets warmer. I have a feeling that this uniform is similar to the desert Marpat uniforms, but we'll just have to see how it performs. I'll also give my thoughts at the end of this video about using this uniform to play Airsoft. I would have to say that this uniform didn't do too bad in the forest, even with all the green colors. I would say that this uniform is better suited for the winter time with all the brown colors and the dead grass. But it actually did an okay job blending in with the trees and the bushes during the springtime. After taking a closer look at this uniform, you can see that they took some shapes and colors exactly from the multicam pattern, except in the three desert colors. I even tested this and took my multicam uniform, and you could match up the specific shapes between the two uniforms. So you could say that this uniform from Spain was definitely inspired by the multicam pattern. This uniform is made out of a ripstop material, so it is quite comfortable to wear, although it is a little thick, so I don't recommend wearing it in the middle of the summertime. I also found it interesting there's extra padding in the shoulders, which would help to carry heavy loads. I was also surprised at how similar the cut of this uniform is to the US Army's old UCP uniforms. I mean, the Velcro and the placement of the pockets are all in the same places, so it just feels like you're wearing one of the old UCP patterned uniforms. I got this original uniform from a surplus store in Japan, so if you can find a set, I would recommend picking one up because it's quite rare and it's something a little different, even though it's familiar in some of the ways I've already mentioned. I hope you enjoyed this camouflage test video. I'm hoping to finally get to the M90 Splinter uniform from Sweden in the next video. So thanks again for watching, and on to the next one.